Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you an unboxing and first impressions of the DJI Osmo 3. Now, this one is really something I've been looking forward to. The Mobile 3 is a foldable gimbal for your smartphone. Now, that is so important because I never really used my Osmo Mobile 2, and I ended up buying the Pocket and using that so much more because of the fact that this was just not travel friendly on the 2. This one, however, looks to solve that problem, which is really a big deal. You never think of it until you're traveling a lot, but every time I needed to go on a plane or needed to drive, I was just like, ugh, this is not worth it. I'll just take the Pocket. But the Pocket doesn't do as good in low light as a smartphone can. So that's where this one really comes in handy. So let's go ahead and unbox this and really kind of see the quality overall and set it up and give you my first impressions on the app. Now, this goes at $139 normally, but I have already seen discounts on it as low as $120, which is really impressive considering I think it's only been out for like a month. But I do like that about DJI, that like you can actually expect discounts and deals on their products, which is obviously always good. So very minimalist kind of packaging, so I like that as well. Phone camera direction is going always this way, so that's pretty, I would say, self-explanatory. Now, how do we unlock this? So the pretty interesting about this is you actually lock it into place when you have it. So you actually have to lift it up, if you can see right here, in order for you to move it. So I really like that. So like when you lock it into place, you pretty much lock everything into place and it's not going anywhere. Like this isn't moving. I really like that. So yeah, it's really locks into place well. We'll see how long that lasts, of course, because then I'm just like, okay, well, a month from now or years from now, how is that gonna be? We'll have to wait and see how long the longevity is. But really interesting in terms of how it'll hold. And I will say that it doesn't have like a flat bottom anymore. Like before, it actually had a flat bottom for it to stand on. So you might wanna get the tripod stand. I think that they have their own version of it, but that's just something I noticed right away. Very curious to see how it goes. Let's open up the accessories with it. So we get the paperwork, quick start guide, just download the app and that'll kind of walk you through it. But of course you do want to know how to balance it. And here's your little pouch to go with. I think these are little rubber parts to put around right here so that it's even a better grip. I could be wrong, I'll have to check on that. And your little pouch to travel with. It's just so it doesn't get scratched up. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, set this up and explain to you guys how to set it up and overall give you my first impressions of it. All right guys, so I have this set up and I will say there are some things I immediately noticed and some things I really like and some things I do not like. So first of all, I do like the one double tap for getting right back in the position you are facing. So I do like that. You can just tilt it around, boom, and it just turns automatically to where you're facing. So I do like that. I love the double tap to adjust to portrait or selfie. I think that's a really important feature and one that I think is gonna come in real handy. So I do like that as well. One press to switch from photo to record. So I do like a lot of that. However, one thing I do not like, and I mean I really don't like it, is going to be the ability to actually have it not record at 1080p at 60 frames per second. That is my standard shooting mode, and this can only do 1080 at 30, which means it's gonna suck because I'm gonna have to kind of, until DJI gets this together, I'm going to have to use the regular camera app and then film that way at 60 frames so that it's a much better quality. And basically how I can do that is just kind of using the tilt function and then just say record video. And that will automatically record the video so that I can do it that way. But it really sucks that the built-in app can't do 1080p at 60 frames per second. Now again, maybe that might change. As of right now, there is no way that I can see to do it. So hopefully that will change, but as right now, that's my big issue with it. However, overall, I love the improvements they've made. The feel feels really good. It just feels solid, like I'm going to use this out and really record a lot more things. I did wish it fit better with cases. I know that's something that if it had a bigger grip, you could fit it better with cases. But overall, it's a solid performer and definitely something that I think will help out a lot of vloggers out there. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you interested in getting a gimbal, or is there another gimbal I should check out as well? Thank you guys for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.